Hi guys, my name is Albert Tan. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, everybody. Welcome to this live session of 5 excellent but free productivity tools. So today we are going to talk about the best thing in life and free. That is 5 excellent tools, but they are free to use. So I'm going to use live what they call wave video for the broadcast. Please grant wave video permission to see your name in the comments. At this link, https wave video slash lives slash Facebook. So please put your name as well as permission for wave video to show your name and also your comment. So if you can hear me and see me, please type your name in the chat and we will start shortly. Okay, guys, I think we have seen some of the familiar faces here. Peggy Chan, Suja, how are you? And we can start anytime now. So let me adjust the screen. Okay, I hope that everybody can see this screen. So today we are going to talk about 5 productivity tools which are free, but in my opinion are actually excellent tools that you can use in our digital marketing, in your online business, or even your offline business, when you have to do some of the tasks that we are talking about. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what are the 5 free productivity tools we are talking about? These tools are actually really, really free. So you don't have to pay a single cent. Except some of them, if you want to have more features, you have to pay. So, but as it is, you can use it, free at the lifetime of the what they call of the app. So the first one is edit photo. The second one is the diagrams.net. Third one is BioLink. The fourth one is supernotes.app. And the last one is actually Zen mind map, sorry. So okay, if you can see that here is actually, I'm actually using this Supernote app, so that, I got a demo to you, why I like this new note-taking app, which I discovered lately. So, I mean, there are so many note-taking app in the market, a lot of free tools, For example, a lot of people have a Notion, Nimbus, that kind of things. So, but this one is very interesting. I will go into detail and let you guys know, and judge it, why I like these tools. And the best thing is all of these tools are actually free to use. So without further ado, let me introduce to you the first tool. Okay, the first tool is actually here. The name of the first tool is actually called Edit Photo. So, I mean, this tool is actually free online photo editor. You can put it in your browser and there's no limitation. However, the only limitation is they might not have the most fanciful functionalities, but they have all these functionalities. For example, crop, filter. You can do some filter. Let's say you want to change this color. You can make the color brighter or maybe darker, a warmer, monotone, what I call stark, There are so many of them. So I also cannot remember. Yeah, there are so many of them. So you can see that this tool is very, very flexible. But I would say it's not the most advanced editor, but it does the job. Okay, so you can fine tune it maybe on the brightness as well as the contrast, saturation, exposure, temperature, the gamma temperature, maybe sharpen it, maybe, I'm not sure, this one, let's say vignette. So maybe they're talking about some brightness combined. So, and also you can do annotation, you can do, like for example, later I will go into the detail on how to use this one. But now let me go back to here. I want to make it the original first. Okay, this is the original photo. And you do some frame, you can frame it up, if you want to do some framing, different type of framing. And you can resize it, you put in your numbers here, you can resize it. Okay, so we are not going to resize it now, but reduct means let me get rid of the frame first. None of the frame. So reduct. So maybe you want to show this guy's face. So that's it. So this is how this function all about. So you can see that the function is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 major functions here, and it's actually free to use. This website. So you can actually have a look. Let me scroll up. Okay, the website is edit.photo. And there's no pop-up to close, no advertisement to ignore, no cookies to accept, no account to create. Just use it online. And there are more things to it, So after that, let's say you have what I call done all your editing, you can actually export it in a different format, JPEG, WEBP, and also PNG. You can copy it, you can print it, you can adjust the quality, you can even download into your device, into a PC. So the best thing that I found in this, what I call free online photo editor called Edit Photo is actually, I can actually have one of my own. Okay, let me show you. This is the one that I created, with my website name, Download Silo Photo Editor. The original one is this, free online photo editor in your browser. But actually name it here, Download Silo Photo Editor. Of course, it's with the branding, this Pintura is a developer or a company. So this is one of this nice thing to have. You can actually, use this link, send it to somebody. Then somebody will be impressed that you have your own photo Download Silo Photo Editor on the web. But there's more than that, because you can actually also embed it on your website. Let me show you mine. Okay, this is the one that I embedded it. Downloadsilo.com /photo/editor. /photo -editor/. So only thing that I don't have this kind of a fancy menu here, but if I drop an image here, I can actually start editing and all the menu will appear. Let me show you. Let me get a photo here. Okay, I dropped this photo here. Yeah, you can see that the photo is up there. So this is a photo which I get from a stock photo. And let's do some editing, So, and you look at, this is something which is quite powerful in that sense, So you can adjust it, left, right, top side. You can crop it, This is cropping feature. You can rotate it, flip it horizontally. You can crop it. I don't want to crop it now because I want to make it full size. Maybe flip it back, rotate it left. So rotate again, rotate again. I just want to show you what are the function, okay? And for the filter, it's quite simple. Let's and okay, you can zoom it as well. You can zoom it, make it smaller, make it bigger, make it bigger, make it smaller. So let's go back, scroll up a bit, and go back to the filter editing feature. So this filter will be, this is the default. You can have a chrome color, fade color, all kind of color, warm color, you name it, maybe 10, 15 of them, maybe this sepia, some kind of old photo. And this is the color, black and white color. Okay, so for demo purposes, this is how I do it. So after you have actually edit the photo, you can actually export it as usual, as what I say. Export in JPEG format, WEPB format, or even PNG format. and the quality you can adjust. And the location is you can actually copy and paste it in your in your what I call other apps, and you also can print it and also download it. So this is how we do the editing. So you can also do annotation. Annotation means you can write something up there. Let's go down to the browser, and maybe you want to do some text. This is the color of the text. The font, you can choose your font. Let's say we do a black font. Okay, so this is the color of the font. Maybe make it black. So just type something. Okay, that's it. If you know how to do photo editing in other apps, this is also as simple as that. And these are the functions, font style, your bold, italic, normal. You want the font size, you want the extra big, to very small. And the line height, a lot of what I call control for you to do. Of course, you can also do some alignment, text alignment. This is make it center. This is make it right, justified, make it center. And you can put some sticker, emojis, that kind of things, or you can pick some images you want to add some images, put some emoji. Okay, you can just do whatever you want. So this is for testing purposes. So let's do some framing. Maybe we do this zebras framing. Okay. So you are happy with this, you can actually export it now. If you want to what I call reduct, blur some of the parts of this, maybe you want to blur the eyes of the ladies, you can do that. Let me do it. Okay, so this is as simple as that. Then resize, like you said just now, we can actually resize it. So this is something what I call nice. You resize, you can change the size here. Okay, we are not going to do that. So okay, so that's it. This is a simple photo editor, but it's completely free. So let's say this is the website, original website. You can go there and actually start editing. Okay, so you want to come to my website to do it, just go to this link, downloadsalo.com, photo editor. Okay, so how to get this photo editor into your website? Let's go to this page where you can create your own photo editor. You can use your bookmark. This is the bookmark. Copy this one and copy inside the browser. Then you will see exactly the same thing here. Or you want to embed it in the website like me here. You can use this method. Use the wizard, copy the few lines of codes. Then put it in the HTML code in your website, and that's it. Very simple. And I find it quite interesting to do that. So if you like it, please go ahead and go to this website and check out. Okay, let's move to the second tools we are talking about. So the second tool is diagrams.net. Let's go here. Diagrams.net. Maybe I use the mind map tool to explain a little bit. Okay, so you can see that this is the Zen mind map. Is also a free tool now, and it's not a very complex kind of a mind map tool. Very simple, but then you can use it for your daily life. For anything you want to do, some brainstorming or maybe some idea generation or that kind of thing. So this diagrams.net is actually a very, very powerful tool. And let me explain which are the good features. You don't have to do any login or registration required. Just go to the website and you can just start using it. So there's no need to do any registration or login. Just start. Click here, start. Afterwards, we will go do that. Okay, let me go to the XAMPP mapping. And they actually have very powerful features. I would say that they are actually professional quality. It's not something that is very simple. I can show you later where are the actual kind of tools that you can use. And they also don't access you to your data. Whatever you have is actually yours. So you can share it with everyone. There's a link sharing. And the best thing is they can do some integration with all these important kind of app, in the market. Microsoft SharePoint and OneDrive, Google Workplace and Drive, Dropbox and Git, desktop. You can also download a desktop app and use it as a desktop if you do not want to do online. So, and they have a Notion Chrome extension. Okay, let's go into their website. So this is the website. Okay, so I mean, you can actually store in your own what I call Dropbox or even your Google Drive. That's why security is your own. So they are not actually storing anything for you. So this is a website, and they have been in the market since quite some time. I'm not sure when is it, but then formerly they actually call this Draw.io, and the Draw.io is still called a Draw.io in called a desktop for offline use. So, and as I said, this is something that is very powerful. Let me do some magic here. Start now. The moment you click start, you have two choices. You can either create a new diagram or open an existing diagram. So let me open an existing diagram and show you, what is my diagram, So, okay, I actually pre-created one. Okay, you can see that this is called infographic. So this infographic is actually very well done, by them, not by me. This is actually from a template, So let me show you. Okay, there are various tools over here. You have different diagram, different style as well. If you want to change the color, okay. So this is how I use a existing what I call a template. I just change the name, 5 free productivity tools, and you can actually add in the various kind of flowchart diagram. A lot of tools that you can use. Different diagrams, advanced. Oh, I think I'm blocking the view. Okay, some arrows, basics, all kind of diagram are here. You can do flow charting. You can do I'm not sure what you call this, entity relation. Okay, and UML as well. Okay, different kind of charting. So this is something that if you are going to put in some effort, you can create a lot of things. So let me show you what are the things that you can do with this diagrams.net. Okay, these are the templates that you have. Okay, and for the basic diagram, you can have organization charts, Kanban board, cross-functional flow chart, all kind of chart, So you can actually click and see that, these are the sample flow chart, And for businesses, various kind of chart, Let me see, and then very interesting. I think this is something like Ishikawa fishbone chart, that kind of things, I mean, if you are an engineer, you know what I'm talking about. Then this is like a very nice bar chart, timeline chart. Okay, you can actually produce it using this diagrams.net. Okay. Then different kind of chart. Organization chart. Okay, this is bar chart. Diagram title. I think this is organization chart. Also organization chart. So let's move on. Okay, this is something to do with those working in cloud environment or infrastructure. In terms of in AWS, Azure, GCP or IBM, they will know it. But I also do not know because just for example, you just click one, have a look. So these are the kind of symbol that they use in this cloud infrastructure. Okay, let's move on. For engineering, you can do some electric circuit chart if you want to. And this is a switchboard if I'm not wrong. So this is a switchboard. You can draw all these things inside there. And come to the flow chart. I mean, a lot of people are actually using this flow chart, I mean, in digital marketing. Okay, various kind of a condition as well. Then maps. This is not what I call mind map, but a kind of a concept map, Looks like a mind map actually. So let's do some network. These are for networking. If you are working in a networking environment, you'll be able to know this. For example, this one. So computer, PC, server, PSTN, that kind of things. Let's move on. Others. Okay, this is the template I use just now to create. The infographic. Okay, nice. And this is also another infographic. You can have a look. I mean, you just change the name, title, as well as the description. Then you have a very good what they call the nice infographic done. Okay, for software, I think this is for software engineers, where all the what they call relationship between different kind of action table. I think this is a timetable, if I'm not wrong. Task, position, task, various kind of tables. I think this is a Gantt chart, if I'm not wrong. It is a Gantt chart, UML. Okay, UML, I am not sure what it is, but of course, if you want, you can just Google it and find out more. And a Venn chart, this is like a concept kind of a thing, Venn diagram, this Venn diagram. Okay, the last, this one will be interesting. You can even do wireframe, when you are trying to mock up some website, you can do wireframe here. You don't have to buy extra other wireframe, So this is your logo, a search, your top menu, side menu, features, that kind of things. So I find that this is very interesting. You will put some effort to learn it, and you are able to do a good job here. So this is for, I think it's something like a layout of your website, block names and the kind of things. Okay, so I mean, this is I would say very professional kind of a diagram app that you can use. Of course, I mean, this kind of a free app, you need some learning curve, definitely. So, I mean, if you don't mind to do some, to practice and do some learning curve, then please use it, to your advantage. Okay, guys, let's move on to the third tools. Let me see. Okay, the third tool is the BioLink. So BioLink, basically, the other day I actually reposted in our group, So this is the BioLink. So this is BioLink. I mean, I like this one because it's actually a real BioLink, because the domain name is very sexy. It's a real BioLink, and you can actually sign up without charges. It's free and it takes less than a minute, So just sign up. They send an email for you to confirm, and you can actually do your BioLink now. So of course, there are a lot of features in those paid plan, I mean, it costs you maybe $59 or thing, but this is completely free, and it's free forever in that sense, You have 15 plus team, and they give you visitor stats, and as well as lightning fast. I mean, this loads very fast. So only thing that, if you want to, in future, you want to send email using this bio link, I mean, when people click it, then you have to do some payment. But now there's no need to pay. So let me show you my bio link. Okay, this is already in the backend of my bio link. So you can see that, I mean, they got two type of link, not two type of link, two URL you can choose from. You can either choose, let's say, maybe I can show it here, or not here. So it's either downloadsilo.com or .bio.link, or maybe bio.link/downloadsilo. You have two choices, okay? And this, what I call, you can just click the link and add your link. It's very simple. Just put a title and URL, and you are done it, and upload your photos. Okay. And you can embed YouTube, Spotify, or your tweet, or some other what I call like other sound cards players, or your Twitch video, or maybe even this buy me a coffee website. If you have a web page here, and also they will link it to Shopify. So this is for the embedding. So I already embed one, what I call this video, training video, not training video, the Facebook Live with the founder's audio. And you can see that here. So if you click this link, you actually see this in the, what I call your handphone or maybe your desktop. So let's click and see here. Of course, in the desktop, it doesn't look so nice, over here. So then we click here. You can play your video right inside the that link, So that's very cool, actually. So, for example, the setting, just now I'm saying that, you have two way of creating your bio link. First way is using like what I call at the back of this bio link, or the other one is called a subdomain, so in front, okay. So this one is coming soon. If you want to see name, you have to coming soon. So I mean, if you want to show their what I call branding, you can do it. But if you do not want, just off it. And they also can do some SEO work. Put in your name as well as the what they call description title, and you can put in your Google Analytics, to check, or to connect to your Google Analytics account. Okay, so this is what I call the setting. And for stats, and I think they have a bug in the stats, I mean, I set up this for the last few days. There are definitely some clicks, but then there's no viewers and no clicks at all. I'm actually have sent some what it calls support inquiry, and they have replied me that they will get back to me, but so far we have not seen any reply yet. So looks good other than this one. So these are the link. You can just skip on. You can put a header if you want to. But I mean, I'm not adding it now. So that's it. You can also change your social what I call account here. So these are the social account, what are the social and other links. Okay. Yeah, this is how we do this bio link. Very easy to set up your bio link, same as any other paid tools. Okay, the last, not the last, let's go back to this one. The third tools we are going to talk about, the fourth tool, I know we call it Supernode. Okay, before that, let's go to ZenMindMap first. Okay, ZenMindMap. Okay, BioLink is free forever. You have 15 teams. Just now, maybe we have not sent you the team. This is the team, I think. Yeah, okay. I mean, you just put your name of your BioLink and the description. You can put different kind of teams. So I'm choosing this team, or you can create your own team. So there are 15 of them right now. Okay. And I mean, technically you can create your BioLink within 2-3 minutes, very simple one. Okay, so you want to check out my link, this is the link, and best thing is free forever. Okay, let's move to the next tool, the fourth tool, supernotes.app. So Supernote, I mean, there are so many kind of notes, app in the market, every day you will see some of the notes, in the market. So, I discovered this one, I think, maybe a week back or something like that. And they also, what they call, launch it in this product hunt, I think last 2 days or something like that. So I find that they are very super fast, and you can use it as knowledge sharing. And they have a free plan, which is actually called, you have 40 cards, but if you want to pay, you need to, what they call, pay on a yearly or a monthly, and you have unlimited cards. Okay. So, but we can actually increase the number of cards here. Later, I tell you how to do it. Let's go back to this Supernotes. Okay, this Supernotes, why I like this is because of this interface, very simple and very clean. Let's pull down the photo. Okay, you have three, the collection here means you can actually write any card for your daily. You want to write anything, you can do it. You have any thought, you can also do it. Inbox is if somebody send you cards, from your friends. Okay, to create a cards, and it's very simple. Just start typing, then you can create any card. So for example, let's say that's card, So very simple. After that, you just type whatever you want to type in, maybe this is an example of the card, And bear in mind that, all these cards have a word, or they call character limitation. There is a soft limit of 1,200 characters, if I'm not wrong. So maybe it's about 200 words. So if you have more words that you want to put in, they will actually create another card, 2 cards, that kind of thing. So this work on the principle of like a flashcard version. So the flashcard, as you know, that based on small number of characters, and become very, very good as a learning tools. Okay, not only a learning tools, it's also like for example, you want to digest a lecture note, you prepare all these different cards, and write down all the essential things inside the card. So you want to listen to a lecture, you can do it here. You want to do create your thoughts, you can actually do it here. And after that, you can actually click finish if it is finished. But you can do a lot more other things. For example, okay, you want to do some tagging. So let's, for example, I want to create a tag. Okay, maybe I'll just say this is general. Okay, and this is a general tag. So you want to put public, mean in future, anybody who you share with the public, you'll be able to search using this tag. But you put personal, then it's only on your account you can see. Just click it, then you can see that, okay, the tag is here. So let me do another one, testing. So it's here. So write as many tags as you can. Then the next feature is you can put it in, you can choose the parent, a parent card. A card can be a child card or can be a parent card. For example, you want to choose a card, give this card a parent. Okay, there are certain cards here already. There are few cards. I have already created 5 cards or 6 cards over here. So for the sake of testing, we just say, okay, this is the parent card. Okay, you can see that this parent card is 5 productivity tools here. So this is a card. So go over here, you can see that, they have 5 childs here, 5 children here. So this is the way how they interlink the cards, And you can also create a link to another card. For example, link to Zen My Map card. Okay, just click here and choose the card that you want to link to. Okay, so this is the link. Okay, and you click finish. So this is the card. Then the moment you click this card, it will go to the Zen Mind Map. Okay, you see how the connection is, all are interlinked together. Okay, let's edit it, make it more better. Let's edit again. You can add an image you want to, for example, I adding image here, just click the image, browse the files, and click the image. Maybe I just click this banner, let's say the Formalu banner Facebook Live. You just click and upload it. Take a while to upload. And you click finish. You can see that the image is already uploaded here. Okay, so it's very simple. Just follow this using this pencil. Click a plus sign, and you can give an icon if you want to, icon of the test card. There are many icon. Just search for it. There's maybe the tester doesn't look nice. Box. Yeah, just choose a box. Okay, you can see that, this is the icon. Image. You can put an emoji if you want to, for example, on the back here, I'm going to put an emoji. Let's put 100 marks. Okay, then do another action. Okay, we can color the card as well. Choose a color. For example, maybe we just make it blue. Okay, so it's complete. This card is complete. So this card will be linked to this mother card, parent card. You can link to other, what they call card. Okay, you have to look at it, make it bigger. Okay, so just now we are here. Yeah, this is the link. Remember, we just click here. It will link to this Zen Mind Map card. Okay, so it's quite simple to create, and also you also can do some other magic things here. For example, let's do some magic. Click the right bottom here. There is a cheat sheet. You can do using what I call a syntax, markdown syntax. For example, let me write something. I want to do a list, Okay, just not here. Do a list. List 1, list 2, list 3. So if you do not know how to do it, just follow this method. The syntax here. Okay, you can do a checkbox, For example, do a checkbox, it's quite simple. Open bracket, close bracket. Do shopping tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think it's not properly done. Should not be like X. Okay. Let's do it again. Yeah. So this is the final result. No, you can actually click it. When it's done. Do shopping tomorrow. You click it, then it's done. So this is the way how to edit and create your cards. And I find this very interesting new note-taking app, which is actually quite nice, in my opinion. So, and here in the hierarchy here, you can actually, for example, this is the card. It's called freebies. Let's go to the card. So, I mean, this is the master card, parent card. So it's my collection of freebies on software. It will keep on expanding. So we go to the my 5 free productivity tools. So all the children card will be here, can be shown here. And this is the parent card. Okay. So you want to show different listing, you can use the Control L is list it from top to bottom. Control B is a broad view, So this is the way how to do it. Then whenever you want to do editing, just click the pencil sign. You want to only see this card, you just click it here. So very simple. And if you want to share it with somebody, you can actually share it. Okay, you want to invite your friend to edit this card, also can. If you want to share it, just click here. So there are two options here. You can actually make it public viewable, or maybe joinable. Join, I mean, people can join this link. You can either read it, contribute it, or edit it, or become an editor. So if you don't want it to publicly viewable, then you don't have to do it. So they must access on SuperNotes. So if you click here, that means they can actually publish this card to a secure URL for people to view. They don't have to log in to actually use it to view this card. So if you make it like without public, then you have to log in order to access it. So this is for security reason. Okay, then once you do it, you can just generate a link. Okay, that's it. Then let's see what is this. This is the actually the information on what card is this. You can pin it. Junk it means you destroy it. You go to the dustbin. And actually, this is the date. Target date. What you want to maybe is a task. Okay. And this is the block code. That means there is a two backlink to this one. So this two backlink, which means is linked to this 5 productivity tool, this card, as well as this Zen Mind Map card. So this is called like they call it backlink. So actually, it's actually a linkage to this card. Okay, so that's it. So it's quite simple to use. But the use cases are actually tremendous. You can use it for a lot of things. I mean, to collect your ideas. To collaborate with some people. That you work on the project. That kind of thing. There are many ways. So more information you can find it in the website here. So these are actually explained. Share your card. Built for busy people. Okay, these are the actually the what I call the features, of these SuperNotes, and I find it quite interesting. And you can do a dark mode. Okay, let me see how to do dark mode. I think it's here. Okay, this is dark mode. Okay. This is bright mode. This is, I think, semi-dark mode. Okay. So that's it. So, I mean, I just joined as a free user. So you got 40 cards, I've used up 8 cards. So in order to get more cards, it's very simple. You just have to refer to your friends. You refer to your friends, you get 20 cards, Then you yourself also get, your friend also got 20 cards. So let's do it. Let me see, where is my link, Okay, my link is here. So this is my referral link. So if you want to sign up, you can use this referral link. Then I will get 20 cards, for each referral. So I mean, there's no money, no value, no monetary value, but then you can help me to get more cards, for me to use. So if you just click here, actually go to the sign up link. So it's kind of course, now I already signed in. So because it won't show up in the sign up link. Okay, I will put in the post so that everybody can access to it. Okay, that's it. So, and the final tools that I'm talking about is here. Hold on, let me check back this one. It's a mind map tools. Okay, this is the mind map tools. Okay, Zen mind map actually is a what you call the SaaS program, where actually it's actually on sales on this AppSumo. I actually bought it, before that. So, but then after I think last week or so, the founder want to make the mind map free for all, which means you can use it for free forever. So, but as a buyer of this free mind map, I mean Zen mind map, they actually give us the Zen flowchart, as a compensation. Okay, so with the Zen flowchart, I can actually do some flowchart, mind map, wireframe, whiteboard, these 4 things together. But mind map is free for everybody. So if you want to sign up on a free one, just sign up here free and confirm your email address in your email, then you can actually use it. So let's go into detail of this Zen mind map. Okay, this Zen mind map, as I said, this is actually the one that I do up for this today's video. Okay, what is so good about this Zen mind map? It's very fast. To me, you can actually create a mind map, in within seconds, or within minutes, And there's no sidebar, no floating icon, no distraction, and it's very minimalistic. So one look, you see everything here. And the only thing that you can see on top will be a topic, subtopic, icon, a link, and a dustbin, and redo and undo button. So let me show you how to get it started. Okay, for example, okay, this is my document folder. Let me try this one. So you can see that it's here. You can actually also start with scratch, but if you do not want to start with scratch, you also can, just typing here. Just type your name, my main topic. Okay. So you want to create a subtopic. I mean, we just delete it first. Okay, this is the main topic. I mean, this is, I would call it central topic. So if you want to create another main topic again, okay, just click enter. So you want to create subtopic, you just tab. So horizontally, you tab. Vertically, you create the main topic, you put enter. So it's very simple. If you do not want it, just click here and click delete. Everything is gone. So there are a few themes. I mean, rainbow means this is color, So if you want minimalistic, there's nothing, then you'll be like, I think it's all white, or black and white, that's it. So today, I think Zen flowchart, my map has some problem issue because actually I discovered it that. So that's why you can see that, it's spinning non-stop. So, I mean, it's something out of my control. So let's do it now. Okay, let's share it. Okay. So this is the one. Yeah, just now we say that, it become black and white, the theme. Minimal, rainbow is just now a color. Contrast, I think different colors as well. So you can add your link. Let's say you want to add a link here. Just type a link. Let's, for example, https $silo.com. Okay, so whenever you share this this in public, you click here, it will bring you to the link of the website. Okay, you can put some, for example, you want to put some icon, just put some icon, emoji or smiley or whatever you want to put. Just put, okay. So it's up to you. It's quite simple, very minimalistic and easy to use. Anybody can use. Just change the name. As my map. That's it. So this is something very easy to use. You can actually do it within minutes or within seconds. After that, you finish, you can actually export it as a PNG. Then you can save it in your hard drive. If you do not want, you actually can share it using the link. Okay. For example, let's say I share it, by email. You can invite collaborators or as a commenter or maybe as a viewer. Commenter means they can actually comment on it, can edit it, put it that way. You only want to view, you just view. Okay, so there's the permission, the privacy. So anyone with the link can view, or you cannot view. That means this is private. If none means it's private, so you are the owner. So you will put, you can view, then anyone with the link, we can view it. If you can put comment, you can not only can view, they can also comment it. Okay, this is a share and collaborate menu. And that's it, it's a very simple kind of a tools. Okay, so from here, let's say you are sharing with somebody, if there is some comment that will be stated here, over here. And that's it. This is my 5 free productivity tools that I've actually come to use it, quite often. So just to make a summary, edit photo, diagram.net, BioLink, Supernote.app, and Zen Mind Map. So don't worry, I will put it in the what I call the comment section later after this live session, so that everybody know where to get it. So this is the preview. This, let's close it. Okay, so let's see what are the question that we have right now. Okay, guys. Okay, Bill, they say that don't see anything here that I cannot do with blue. It is not blue, Blue is some other thing. Okay. Okay, Vice Musa, you say that you're going to refund VJ. Okay, but VJ is a slightly different, I would say that, VJ is compared to Supernotes, VJ got whiteboards. What I call this, Supernote don't have whiteboard, but then they cannot draw anything. So I think maybe you are referring to diagram.net or maybe referring to Supernote. Okay, Wave live stream, how is it? Okay, Wave live stream is what I'm doing now. So whatever you see is delivered by this Wave live stream. Is it as good at Melon? Okay, you will ask my honest opinion. I will say that, at the rate of this Wave video that they are developing, they are actually far ahead of this Melon, to be frank. So they have a lot of features that is pushing out. So maybe because they will actually make it live out of beta in 2 weeks time in March, I was told by this founder. So by that time, maybe should do another video, a live session, to demo this with video capabilities. Okay, that's all. Let me see. Is there any people who are looking for any question they can ask here? Okay, Peggy Chan, you're talking about the templates of this diagram.net, if I'm not wrong. It's actually very easy. Just let me show you again. Go to the file, open a new, put new, then these are the templates, After you click the template, then create, and you start creating your flowcharts or whatever you want to do. Okay, for example, here, this is a template. Okay, just click this one, just create. Or this is okay. So you can actually create from the URL as well. So I believe you have to actually scroll through here and create from here whatever you want to. Okay, so that's it. This is what I done using one of the template. Okay, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, do some comment in the Facebook post or even the YouTube, and let me know what is your comment, and you answer it later when this live video is completed. And as a summary, just go through whatever we have discussed. The first two is this edit video. Second two is the diagram.net. The third two is a bio.link. The fourth two is actually the supernotes.app. And the last two is actually this Jam Mind Map maker. Is actually all these tools are free. So with that, I would say, I've completed my what I call the video review of these 5 tools, and they are actually free to use, and hope that you like it. With that, I will end our session and see you in the next video review of app LTD or maybe some free tools. Let's see what we have in the next session. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.